Hi guys! Welcome po sa Hugot Sipnayan. This is Sir Jayvee, your MathKahugot, and welcome po sa ating channel. So para po sa discussion natin for today, I'm going to discuss to you about problem solving involving system of linear equation. So we're done with our first part, which is the age problem, and so we're done with the first part, which is the age problem and the number relation problem. So sales problem po. Now, we're going to deal with the second part of our discussion, which is about uniform motion and geometric relation. So, ito po ay pangalawang part ng 3-part video natin para po sa solving problem involving system of linear equation. So, guys, samahan niyo ako about our discussion about this topic. So, our objective for today's video is to determine or solve problem involving system of linear equation using the three methods we have discussed. So we're talking about the graphing method or the graphical method, the substitution method, and the elimination method. So yun po yung gagamitin natin tatlong paraan para ma-solve yung ating mga problem. So we're going to deal with our first part, which is the uniform problem or uniform motion problem or the motion problem. Let us read our problem. So, two cars travel toward each other from 50 kilometers apart, and the cars met in 4 hours. So, what is the average speed of each car if one car travels 15 kilometers per hour faster than the another? So, kailangan po natin i-examine ang ating problem na given. So, after natin ma-examine guys, so we're going to determine yung mga importanteng detalye nito. So, ang importanteng detalye nito guys ay yung mga naka-highlight. So, first is yung distance sila sa isa't isa, which is 50 kilometer. Ang isa naman guys ay yung 4 hours. So, if they're traveling from one another in opposite direction, magme-met sila after 4 hours. So, isa pang nabanggit dito guys, na mas mabilis ng 15 kilometer yung isang sasakyan laban doon sa isa. Now, out of that given idea guys, maghahanap po tayo ng ating magiging solution para sa ating problem. So, let's start with the representation. So, we have our problem. Now, kailangan natin guys recall, pag we're talking about motion problem, lagi guys ang motion ay distance equals to rate over the time. Yung distansya na cover ng isang sasakyan o isang bicycle or kahit anong nagalaw na object ay equal yan sa rate. Pag sinabing rate, ito yung gaano siya kabilis over the period of time. So sabihin, for example, ang kayang tumakbo ng sasakyan na 40 km per hour. Ibig sabihin, kaya nyo mag-cover ng 40 km sa loob ng isang oras. Yun ang tinatawag na rate. Samantalang yung time naman, yung duration ng kanyang pagtakbo. So dito guys, we let x be the rate of the first car o yung speed ng first car, samantalang yung y naman ang speed or the rate of the second car. So hanapin natin ang bilis ng parehas na car para malaman natin kung ano ang magiging sagot natin. We're talking about the x and the y solution natin. Okay? So we're going to formulate our formula same with our previous video. Ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Ang ating gagawin guys, maghahanap tayo ng dalawang equation or linear equation out of our problem. So let's try to examine the problem again para mapag-formulate tayo ng ating equation. We have the rate of the first car which is x. So dito x guys yon. And the time na kinover nila ay 4 hours. So distansya na yon. So 4x. At yung second car naman ay y at saka 4 hours ang kinover niya. Tapos 4y siya. Tapos yung distance ang tinravel nila, all in all is 50. Oh sorry. 500 km. So, ang distance na tinravel nila ay 500 km. So guys, kung napapansin niyo, parang ganito itsura niya. So ito yung first car natin at second car. Both of them are traveling in the opposite direction and they will meet at exactly one point. At pag kinover mo guys, yung buong route na kanilang ginawa, yun ay 500 km. So eksakto, they meet on the same point at 4 hours. So hanapin natin yung distance yung tinravel talaga nila. O yung speed nila habang tumatakbo para ma-cover yung 500 km. So, out of the given problem natin, dyan mabubuo yung ating equation which is 4x plus 4y equals to 500. So, yung first speed na ginawa niya times the time, yun yung distansya. Guys, yung 4x ay yung distance ng first car. Kaya po naging 4x to. Yung 4y naman yung distansya ng second car. Kaya po naging 4y. Pag inad mo pareha siya guys, 500 km. Doon nanggaling yung first equation natin. Saan po nanggaling yung second equation? Nanggaling po yun sa statement guys na yung isang sasakyan ay 15 km faster than the second car. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung first car natin ay X at ang Y natin second car, mas mabilis ng 15 km per hour ang ating first car kaysa second car natin. So, that's why we come up with 4x plus 4y equals to 500 and x equals to y plus 15. So, I hope guys na yung malinaw sa inyo kung paano nakabuo ng ating equation. Kasi, yun talaga ang primary reason why we solve this problem using system of linear equation. Kung mahihirapan kayo mag-formulate guys ng mga problem, ng mga equation out of this problem, mahirapan kayong magsagot. Guys, try to recall about translating verbal statement into mathematical statement o mathematical statement into verbal statement. Malaking tulong po sa inyo yun. Especially when we're dealing with problem solving. So, syempre guys, we're done with formulating our equations. We proceed to our solution. So, solution to the problem, we have our equations. So, ngayon, examine natin. So, napapansin nyo guys, yung 4x doon yung x dito sa 4x, naging y plus 15. So, anong processing yung ginamit ko? So, ginamit ko ay substitution. So, since ang x po dito ay iisa na, we have y plus 15. Ang ginawa ko, pinaltan ko yung x ng y plus 15. Kaya nag-isang 4 quantity y plus 15 plus 4y equals to 500. Doon na buo yung ating solution para sa ating problem. Now, if we're done with substitution guys, pwede na tayong mag-solve. So, 4 times y is 4y. 4 times 15 is 60. So, plus 4y, bring down, 500. Bring down. So, meron na po tayong 4y plus 60 plus 4y equals to 500. So, ang gagawin po natin guys dito, si 4y at si 4y, pagsasamahin natin. Kaya naging 8y plus 60 equals to 500. Ngayon guys, paano eliminate 60 sa ating problem? Ililipat siya sa kabilang side at i-add ang kanyang additive inverse. So, ang tawag po doon ay additive inverse. From positive 60, naging siyang negative 60. So, 500 minus 60 is 440. So, dividing the whole equation by 8 para mawala yung 8 natin sa y natin. So, meron po tayong 55 as our y. So, ito yung speed nung first car. Now, paano mo gagamitin ito para makuha yung second car? Dito papasok guys yung ating statement na yung first car ay 15 km faster than the second car. Kaya 55 plus 15 is 70 guys. Tama po kayo. So, 70 po ang ating x. So, ang first car natin guys ay may bilis na 70 km per hour. Samantala, ang second car natin ay may 55 km per hour na speed. So, ibig sabihin, ito po yung sagot sa ating problem. So, we're trying to look for the x and the y value. So, meron na po tayong x na 70 at y na 55. O, di ba, madali lang? Ito po yung papadaling paraan dito, guys. Kailangan maalam kayong mag-analyze ng problem, especially, at maalam kayong mag-translate ng verbal statement into mathematical equation. Ang tanong, kailangan nyo ba mag-recall? Kailangan po yun. Dahil kung hindi kayo maalam, guys, lalong mahirapan yung subject na to o mahirapan kayo sa topic natin. So, recall na natin, di ba? So, we're going to write our conclusion, syempre. So, our solution is 55, which is x and y. Our conclusion is, the speed of the first and the second car is 70 km per hour and 55 km per hour, respectively. So, guys, kailangan, guys, ang inyong sagot sa conclusion ay laging isang statement. At kailangan pong kompleto ang tot. Hindi pa utot-utot. And you get what I mean? Kailangan po complete statement, hindi po masasanay tayo na x is equal to 70 km per hour, y equals to 55 km per hour. Dapat hindi po ganon. You complete your statement by stating it on the proper way. Okay? So, meron tayong conclusion, that is our uniform motion problem. So, we're done with number relation problem. Tama. We're done with the age problem. Okay? So, ito po ay motion problem. Meron tayong 3 problem na solve. So guys, alam ko excited na kayo. Let's continue with our next problem. So I hope clear sa inyo to. So ngayon we're going to deal with geometric problem. So geometric, from the word geometry, it deals with shapes and other measurement. Especially yung mga 3D object or yung mga 2D object na may deals with shapes and geometric figure. Okay, ngayon na bibigyan pa natin, guys, ay angles. So, let us read the problem. The sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree. So, preferably, they are supplementary. So, tandaan nyo ba yun? Supplementary? Okay, tandaan nyo pa. So, 3 times the measure of one angle. So, 3 times the measure of one angle is 24 less than the measure of the other angle. So, what is the measure of each angle? So, ito po yung problem natin. So, syempre, i-analyze ulit natin. So, pag in-analyze natin to, things to consider, syempre, first is yung 180 degree, which is their sum. So, siguro, x plus y equals to 180 yan. Posible, di ba? So, 3 times the measure of the angle and 24 less than the measure of the other angle. Siguro yun ay 3 times x plus y minus 24. Siguro ganyan yan. So, tingnan natin kung tama ang hula. So, what is the measure? So, siyempre, we start with representation. So, walang katapusang si x at si y na naman ang pag-uusapan natin. Pag nawala si x, you always ask yourself, y. So, ngayon, tingnan po natin ito paano. So, the sum of the measure of two angles 180 degree. So, syempre, ilalet natin yung first x natin. So, we're talking about two angles. So, sabi daw dito, the sum of two angles 180 degree. So, two angles sa pag-uusapan natin. So, ilalet natin si x as the smaller angle at y naman si larger angle. So, ngayon, tingnan natin kung tatama yan. So, meron tayong x at y para sa ating first angle, which is our x, at y naman para sa second angle natin. So, we're done with our first process, representation. So, let's move with formulating our equation. So, I hope nakakahabol kayo. So, first statement natin, x plus y equals to 180. So, tama. First angle plus second angle, 180. Matik. Tama? Okay. Tingin nyo, anong sunod nating bibigyan pansin? Tama po kayo dyan. Yung ating second statement. Yung second statement, guys, ang pag-uusapan natin, 3 times the measure of the one angle is 24 less than the measure of the other angle. O, diba? Alam ko na sa isip nyo, yan po ay 3x equals to y minus 24. So, sabihin, yung isang angle na 3 times the other one ay y minus 24, which is 24 less than. So, guys, yung mga 3 times less than, sum, measure, yan po ay bahagi ng verbal statement into mathematical statement. Kaya kailangan po i-recall. Okay? Okay, hindi lang po recall sa ML lang alam dapat. Dapat pati i-recall dito, alam ninyo. Matik yan, okay? Now, okay, meron na tayong dalawang equation, which is our purpose. Try na nating mag-solve. Ano tingin nyo magandang solution pa sa problem na to? Ano kaya? Tingin nyo. So, solution ko sa problem na to, guys, I use substitution method. So, kinonvert ko to, which is y. So, nilipat ko si x sa kabilang side, it will be turn out to be negative x. Meron tayong negative x plus 180 para sa ating y. Or in short, 180 minus x. Parang ganun lang din yan. So, anong gagawin ko dyan, guys? Ipapalit ko sa second equation natin. So, napansin nyo, may y na natitira dito. Yun ang dahilan. Kailangan ko ipalit ito equation ito. Pag pinalit ko siya, naging siyang katulad nito. Yung y natin naging negative x plus 180. O, di ba napakasimple ng ginawa ko dyan? Pinalitan ko lang. So, let us solve them. We become a 3x equals to negative x plus 180 minus 24. Okay? Anong sunod kong gagawin? Tingin nyo. Tama kayo. Si 180 ay maminus ko sa 24. O i-add ko sa 24. At si negative x ililipat ko sa kabilang side. So, magiging siyang ganito. So, anong ginawa ko sa negative x para naging positive x? Very good. Kapag ililipat mo yung negative x on the other side, kailangan magiging siyang positive o babaguhin mo yung sign niya. Kaya from negative x, naging positive x siya. So, we have 4x equals to 156. So, 156 came from 180 minus 24. So, yung 4x ay galing sa 3x sa plus x. So, dividing them, we have a 39 degree. Eh, sir, paano po yung y? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, we use substitution. Gagamitin natin itong ginamit natin sa first part ng problem natin. So, papalitan po natin yung negative x ng negative 39 degree. So, adding them, we have y equals to 141. So, meron tayong solution for our problem. We have a 39 degree para sa ating x and 41 degree para sa ating y. Yun po ang kasagutan natin. So, I hope guys na natutunan ninyo ang discussion natin. Kung may tanong kayo about this discussion, just comment it below para alam ko. Okay? Now, so syempre conclusion tayo. Out of the given statement, the measure of the angles are 39 degree and 141 degree. Okay? So guys, yun po ang ating problem for today. That is our motion problem and our geometric relation problem. I hope you learned something from our discussion for today and alam ko namang may natutunan kayo. Siyempre guys, kailangan nyo recall yung mga fast lessons ninyo during your grade 7 para mas mahabol kayo sa discussion ninyo for the grade 8. Sana po natutunan nyo po. And if you would like to follow my page guys, so this is Hugot Sipnayan. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga video discussion. So guys, kung ikaw ay isang magulang, mother dyan, teacher, if you want to share this video with your students, you may share it po at alam kong makakatulong po ito sa inyo. At sa mga magulang dyan guys na gustong matuto ang kanilang mga anak from mathematics, lalo sa grade 8, ito po ang video para sa inyo. So I hope you learn something from our discussion for today. Don't forget to see you on the next video guys. So salamat po sa pagtambay sa aking channel. And God bless po, ingat po, and kindly support this channel. Maraming salamat po, ingat, God bless.